Does anybody want to play?
I don't.
Nobody wants to play with Bernie.
We do.
What do you want to play?
We want to play horn.
How do you play that?
You do that.
How about we play I Ride the Ponies Around? Whoa!
Hey, get off of me! Hey, get off of me, little weird guy.
I am sick and tired.
We don't want to play it.
Whoa. Poor Bernie.
That is another word.
We have the most progressive democratic agenda
Look it.
in history.
Nobody doesn't want to play with you. Get out of here. And get him. Get him, Fluttershy, Pinkie Pie, and Rainbow Dash.
Where's Hillary and Donald Trump?
They're not here.
They don't want to play?
No. That is funny. Danny.
What? Can you believe these ponies?
I'm Hillary. I'm a nice horse.
I think you're the best horse to back in this race. Is Donald Trump here?
Ow. I have shoes for you. We're playing a game.
What game are we playing?
I said we're playing a race.
Who's racing?
Let's go check out. Can I?
You can race.
Can I? Here's mine.